Hey John, what's up, man? My name is Mason. I'm actually one of your partnership program students, and me and my business partner Nick, we're talking to Mike, and we would love to help you guys split test. So, quick background on who I am. We have ran over the last 2 years split tests for huge online marketers in the space. So, KL Kanai was one of our biggest clients. I'll show you a real quick test, the results that we got. Register for the bonus training was the headline, and we tested changing it to say register for KL as free webinar, which increased webinar registration rate by around 14%. So there's a huge increase there, which trickles down into more purchases, more people in the ecosystem. You get the idea. Okay, so Kayala was a huge client of ours, and I'll just show you really quick. I've ran literally thousands of these tests. You'll just see this increase in conversion rate here from 1.33 to 2.57, revenue bumping up. So we incrementally split test the funnel to increase the conversion rate, and on your end, you get a much higher return on your ad spend, and you pay less to acquire customers. So that being said, now that I got that out of the way, I just want to show you guys a few quick things that I noticed. Looking at the Facebook ads, first things first, okay? This is a huge problem. These ads right now, okay, are pointing to MikeBarronAcademy.com, which is the URL in the ads, okay, which leads to this webinar registration page. But the actual call to action and this URL right here, you'll see insidecloser.com. So I click this, and there are two different pages. Okay, so whoever set up your ads put the wrong link in here. I don't know which link you're trying to track, but you have two different links here, two different call to actions, so it's going to be extremely hard to track the ROI on these ads. So probably just an error someone overlooked, but I would get on this ASAP because there's two different links. The first one's going to Mike Barron Academy, and the next one's Inside Closer. And I'm assuming that's not intentional. So I'm going to actually do a quick review of this page right here. All right. And like I showed you in the result from KL split test, I only showed you one. We've ran tons of them. The first thing you're going to want to test is your headline right here. Okay. How is 10K a month possible? This new economy skill set, blah, blah, blah. Watch training. Okay. So check this out. This CTA right here, this is going to be a huge lever for you guys. And what I found is adding the word my and giving the user ownership over the action that they're taking is going to increase your conversion rate. Okay, so for you here, it says watch training. I would test something like show me my training or reveal my training now, show me my training today, and I'll show you guys why. Okay, I'll pull up another real quick test from Kayala. Submit CTA, boom. Okay, check this out. So download now was their CTA, right? Change it to say download my copy now. And these are real tests we've ran. You'll see it went up from 12.26 to 12.60. Okay, and that trickles down into the, the higher the opt-in rate you have, the more webinar registrations you have, the more people show up, the more people buy your $97 offer, more people in the ecosystem, and it trickles down into the rest of the back end of the business. Okay, but we're optimizing the very top of funnel here. So first thing for you guys, you're going to want to test optimizing this CTA right here, something like watch my training, reveal my training now. Okay, same thing with Mike's free organic funnel here. What I've found based on my experience is you want different call to actions depending on what step they're at. So for this is going to pull up the pop-up, right? Yes, I want instant access to access. I want instant access to Mike Barron's 100K sales program for free. Okay, and then I would test changing this CTA to yes, send me the training now. Okay, because these are pretty much almost the same call to actions. The text looks the same. So you want different text. So looking at your webinar registration page right here, you're using the word my, right? I'm going to assume that the opt-in rate is much higher on this page. Send me my free video. I love that CTA. So for you guys, you're going to want to test the CTA first things first, and then you're going to want to actually test from there the headline right here. All right. And typically I like to put things in mobile. If you're on Chrome, you can right click inspect and look at iPhone SE or iPhone XR. I'm telling you, based on my experience, the smallest possible screen size of modern day users is iPhone SE. And you'll notice when I'm looking at the screen size that your call to action is not visible, right? It's below what I call the average fold. So if we were to test, let's say, maybe making this logo a little bit smaller, cleaning up this white space up here and getting that call to action above the fold, that's going to increase your opt-in rate right there as well. And these are just a few quick things that you guys can do. Get back with Nick. I know we already talked to Mike, but John would love to talk to you as well. We've run tons and tons of these tests. I already showed you the results for huge internet marketers like Kayala Kanai. We'd love for you guys to be next, and I know we can get quick results for you guys. So get back with Nick and look forward to speaking with you. Peace.